Hello everyone, I am Venuteja. Welcome to channel from Triple E to Tech. I am currently pursuing BTech in Triple E and I am also a GATE qualified 2025. During my journey, I, I trained as in full stack development from next week and also worked with technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript and C programming, C languages and React.js, Node.js and also SQL. In this channel, I want to teach C programming from absolute basics for beginners and especially for triple E students, ECE, mechanical, and civil who wish to enter software like data analyst, AML, or cybersecurity domains. My focus will be on understanding logic, problem solving, and writing clean code step by step so that you can prepare for placements, building projects, and even support your kid electrical preparation with preparing programming skills. Okay, let's begin today's section C class C pro. In this section, we will discuss about what are the variables. Variables, variable name, value, data. In this table, we can observe that here first one is variable name, and second one value, and third is data type. In the first column, we can see that name. Name, age, height in feet. Do you have sibling? Yes or no? These are the variable names. These are fixed. Okay. The values can be changed. See this. The value is Ajay. We can give Venu or Ajay or Mahesh or Shiva. Anything. It always should be in string format because name is in the form of string data type. Ajay is a string data type. Okay. Whereas age is value as 19. 19 or 30 or anything you can. These values are in the form of integer type. Okay. Height in feet. Height in feet in nothing but it is in the float because height can be measured in inches with the feet. Okay. It is in the form of points. So it is considered as float data type. And similarly, do we have siblings? Yes or no? These are Boolean type. Whereas Boolean contains only two types. Whereas either false or true. Okay. Next. Variable naming. What are variable naming? See this. Variable naming, the variable naming allows the characters allowed. What are the characters allowed? Here, underscore is allowed, capital letters from A to Z allowed, small letters A to Z allowed, and digits 0 to 9 are allowed to the variable naming. While naming, for example, we have seen this in the back example. Their name, age, height, and feet. Do you have any siblings? These are variable names. What are the characters allowed in the variables? See this. Underscore is allowed, means underscore means slash. Okay, capital letters A to Z allowed, small letters. Okay, A to Z allowed, digits. What are the digits are allowed in the okay next slide. See, blanks and commas are not allowed. Okay. See, no special symbols other than underscore or allowed. There are special characters like other slash, dollar symbol, percentile, okay, ampersand. These are the special characters, but it does not allow the naming in the variable while writing in C or any language, Python also. Okay, first character should be always capital or underscore. It can be allowed. Okay, but character can be capital letter or underscore. It is allowed. For this, variable name should be not the keywords. Okay, reverse words. Okay, these are the variable namings. These are the rules for the variable namings. Okay, in this table we will see that is this valid for is this valid or not in the C language? Can you say? Yes, it is valid because Here it is use underscore. There are no spacing between any letters. Whereas is it also allows it is a valid one. See this valid. Here also valid. Height in foot. Why? Because it is not valid. It contains space between height, space in between in and height and in and feet. Okay. Next also not because it also contains a space between each word to word. Here see we can see that in first letter comparison is it is valid. Okay. Second letter is valid. The underscore can be used in any. Third one it is not valid. Why? Because number is used in the starting. It is a not valid. Whereas player score it is a valid. Why? Because it can be the number can be used at the end of the or between the variables. Okay. These are the variable namings. Okay. What are the variable